All right, class, now that we have the pipe uploaded, we're gonna go to scene plots, and we want to change the color in this case. So go to surface 1, color mode, put it into distinguish inputs. You'll see the color changing. Go back to simulation. Under geometry, parts, just go ahead and right click on that and then repair surface. Click OK. Make sure to select the line. One of the things that we want to do is change part surface. Zoom in as much as we can. Select this section right here, and then you can double click, and you should be able to see the entire circumference highlighted. Select this right here, and that is now covered. Now you want to proceed and do the same thing on the other end. When you do that, you are going to the same steps. Double click. The entire inner circumference should be highlighted. Go ahead and select this portion right here. Once you're done, you can go ahead and unselect the line. Let's center this by selecting this right here. Next step is that we want to change the name. So go to this tab right here and select, double click actually either one of these triangles. It'll select the entire thing. Name that as inlet. Modify. You'll notice that you get a message saying you have 44 faces. Be named with that. So that's correct. It might depend on your end. You might end up having more faces. Doesn't matter as long as everything is selected. Let's go ahead and select this back end and name it as outlet. Modify, and then again you should be able to get a message like that. At this point you can just go ahead and close. So I have this portion right here. Let's make a copy of this. So right click on that section right there, and let's duplicate it. And we want to do this just in case we make a mistake and we want to go back. And we actually want to work with a copy. So right click, repair surface, click OK. Let's turn off the mesh by going to, and selecting this portion right there. Make sure that the triangle is selected and not the line itself, otherwise this is not gonna work. Double click on the pipe, delete. Notice that you have some parts left over from the pipe. All you have to do is just double click on that and delete it as well. And let's go over here, double click, delete, and now you can go ahead and close it. Okay. Notice you have this and this portion right here now. Okay. We actually want to bring everything together. I'm gonna turn the mesh on, and I am going to click, hold, and drag it in. Actually, let me put it as that right there. Click, hold, and then just drag it in. Actually, let's drag that portion right there. It was the original one. If you don't do these steps right here, it's not gonna come out. Unselect the outline. If you leave, make sure you select this as well. Surface 1, then click OK. If you turn the mesh on, you should be able to see this section right there. If you don't see it, make sure that you are doing this correctly. Okay, make sure that the surface is selected. Otherwise, you'll not be able to see that portion right there.